going to add a little bit of coriander just for garnish. Today I'm cooking some pork chops. So this recipe is just so quick and suitable for a weeknight. So I'm going to make sure the pork chops are nice and dry. I have cleaned them and washed them in running water. I'm just making sure it's dry. For seasoning, I'm going to add some onion powder, add all-purpose seasoning. You can use any seasoning you like, but I'm using the all-purpose seasoning. And season both sides of the pork chops. So the pork chops are nice and seasoned, and now I'm going to pan fry them. Add oil in a large pan. I'm going to add the pork chops. So I'll cook about 5 minutes on each side and then 5 minutes on the other side. Alright, I'm going to set this aside and cook the next batch. So cook each side for about 4 to 5 minutes or until it's nice and golden brown. Set aside. For the sauce, I'm going to add butter. Add garlic, about 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. And then add a tablespoon of honey. tablespoon of honey. And then use this. Cook in the honey and garlic sauce for about 2 to 3 minutes. I'm going to add a little bit of salt just for taste. Add a little bit of salt for taste. This looks so good. Look at the garlic, honey garlic pork chops. Look at them, they are so good. Honey garlic pork chops. I'm going to add a little bit of coriander just for garnish.